Hey everybody, I finally got my hands on a Nikon P950 bridge super zoom camera. This thing is basically the little brother to the P1000. It's got a 24 to 2000 millimeter zoom lens, so I'm excited to get this thing to work and see what it can do. And yes, before you ask, I will be making a 3D printed quick release plate for it so we can get it working right on the tripod. Let's get started. Let's start with measurements. We have quite a few more things to work with. Starting here with a threaded insert, we've got a little hole and we've got a notch. We'll start by measuring all of this out and then we'll figure out how to add something coming up around the sides to really lock it in place. Thankfully, lots to work with here, so let's get started. Cool, now that we have our measurements, at least what I think should be enough measurements, we can always come back and get more. We can start modeling up a quick release plate for this thing in Fusion 360, which I'm trying out because I used to use Blender, but it seems to be a bit better for this kind of thing. So definitely a learning curve. All right, it's fresh off the printer. Let's see how it turned out. There's definitely some little errors with the print, but nothing major. First review is that it's looking nice. Soft edges, feels rounded, which is good. Lots of space around here. Let's see if it fits in. This is the important test. Doesn't quite fit. It's almost there. There's a few things that don't fit that I'm gonna have to change. One, we're gonna have to move this thing forward quite a bit. We're gonna have to move this whole part forward as well. It's getting there though. Back to Fusion 360, let's take another crack at this. All right, hot off the printer, we got V6 here. Looks good, feels very smooth, nice and tight. All right, this is the moment to see if it fits. Ooh, that feels good. The hole lines up right in the middle, that is great news. Tripod screw fits and screws right away, which is nice. It's a good tight fit. Easy. Love that. Let's turn on the soldering iron and put this heated insert in. Something is definitely wrong with the sizing of this heated insert hole. So I'm gonna have to check my math and fix that ASAP. So that'll be fixed on the next one. Overall, we are very close with V6 and I think V7 will be the one. And here we have it. Version 7.4, aka version 10. Lots of little changes and I think it's perfect. I think we made it here. Let's see the initial fit. Let's see how smooth it fits on. Oh, I love that. Nice. And there we have it. Let's attach the tripod screw here and we'll do our final test. Boom. That is not coming off, no chance, never. And now, when you are all the way zoomed in on this bridge camera, you can mount it here. Now that we're done building that, let's get this thing out and see how it works in the wild.